How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account is you have to go to your Chrome browser and then search for the Snapchat support. So when you search for the Snapchat support, then you come to this page, and here you can see the first website, Snapchat support. This URL you can see, there is one only this URL. You have to click on this, and then you come to this page, and here you have to click on the contact us. And when you came here, what you have to do is you have to click on the I can't access my account, so top of this option. And when you click on this, then here you can see the when you scroll down, then you can see the oh no, tell us more. So you have to click on the I think my account has been hacked. Click on this, and when you click on this and write down, you have to scroll down, and here you have to fill in your username, email address, mobile number with your country code, and in the most importantly, you have to fill in the what information should we know. So here you can tell us, explain what happened to you, and how you have on your Snapchat account is locked. So you have to don't worry, you have to tell us what how your account is permanently locked. So you can also explain that someone hacked your account, or you don't have the access to your account. It means your account is permanently locked. So you can explain that someone has hacked on your account. So after 24 hours, after sending this message, or then you can receive the messages from the Snapchat. And so I hope this will restore your account and unlock your account. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.